All right, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining our session. So we will be talking about OpenKruise, advancing Kubernetes workload automation for scalable, disruption-free operations. Let's introduce ourselves. My name is Husni Alhamdani, CNCF Ambassador and Senior SRE, and my colleagues.
My name is Herbert Sianturi. I am Senior DevOps Engineer from Krom Indonesia.
So first off, what is OpenKruise? So OpenKruise is an extended component for Kubernetes. It's mainly focused on automate management for large-scale application, like deployment, upgrades, operation, and availability protections. OpenKruise is CNCF incubating project, which means considered stable and are used successfully in production by many companies as end users. So typically, OpenKruise is combining with Kubernetes to get the most out of a container orchestrator for high critical workloads. And let's explore what OpenKruise can do. So the first one is advanced workloads. It's supercharged alternative to built-in Kubernetes workloads objects. So for example, like CloneSet, advanced statefulset, and then there is advanced daemon set, and then broadcast job. And most of them is not only support the basic features, but it's also support like advanced capability, like in-place update, configurable, and then scale upgrade strategies. And it also comes with some parallel operations. For example, one of the game changer is the in-place update, where we can update the container, like we can update the resource of the containers like CPU and memory on the fly without recreating the pods. So as a result, it's 90% faster rollout, and it's zero scheduler disruption, and it's come with no IP changes. And that's one of the OpenKruise advanced features. And then there are some like application protection, enhanced operation, and then multi-domain management. Herbert, please take it over.
Okay, thank you, Husni. So let's continue about delete protection. So the delete protection is one of application protection feature that's offered by OpenKruise. And then this delete protection is really useful for us to safety policy to protect our Kubernetes resources from cascading deletion. And this delete protection is supported for namespace, CRD, deployment, statefulset, and also replica set. So for example, that you are creating the custom resource definitions from the Kubernetes resource orchestrator, and it's very important, then you just simply adding these labels, policy crease IO delete protection. There's have two values, always and cascading. Always mean that this value or resources will be protected as always. However, for cascading, if your resources is active, then it will not be deleted. And the next one is image pull job. The image pull job is one of feature of enhanced operations. This beneficial for minimized startup time, targeted time distribution, parallel executions, and code provider integrations. For example, that we are using NVIDIA CUDA. That's 6 gigabytes. That's the pooling is 6 minutes, 9 seconds. So we just apply our image pull job. Just we can give name NVIDIA CUDA and its version. And also adding parallelism is 10. It means the image pull job will downloading or pulling the image in 10 nodes in the same times. And as you can see, there is total 4. It means 4 nodes and succeed 4 nodes. And after we apply our main deployment, the pulling step will be skipped because the image has been pre-ready before the deployment is installed. And the time is only 5 seconds needed. And the next one is workload spread. This one is one of feature of multi-domain management. The benefits is for spreading among hosts and availability zones and customized specialty for different subsets. Let's example is data scheduler. The data schedulers like Flow for data team. We have CPU 6 and memory 15 gigabytes. Then we have 2 subsets. The first subset is for normal deployments. And the second subset is scheduler accelerate. It means the labeling that we have the custom node, 16 CPU with 32 gigabytes. And also we have adding the patch for resources. So this is will dynamically when we need 2 additional pods, like max replicas in the normal scheduler is 2. Then in the additional pods, it will be vertical scaling to CPU 12 and memory 26 gigabytes. And this is really useful for saving cost. So you have dynamic node you can implement. And why this really matters for us? Yes, because this OpenKruise is production-grade resilience for critical workloads like advanced deployment strategies, automated rollbacks, and intelligent pod distribution. And the second one is reduced operation toil, is automated lifecycle management, self-healing capabilities, and intelligent scheduling. And let's use OpenKruise. You can visit the github.com/OpenKruise. And that's all from us. Thank you, Dhanyawad.